So what's up guys, so today we will take a look at and take a first look and unbox the Vivo Y55S. Yeah, this device is a little bit old, but late to the party is good than not to the party. So let's get right into it, shall we? So at front of the box you can see normal Vivo branding and this is an 3 GB model and top model, so that's why it is boldly mentioned here 3 GB. So and at the side there is an Vivo branding and camera and music Y55, and at the back we can see the main highlight of this device: 3 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. Yeah, I was on that topic only. So this is a top model, but this device have weird storage sizes like 16 GB with 2 GB and 32 GB with 2 GB and 64 GB with 2 GB, and you have same options with 3 GB. This thing is really weird. And here you can see an 13 megapixel front camera, 2.5D curved glass, eye protection mode, which is a night mode, and here are the normal stuff. So and down here we can see the seal of Vivo, and side they both are same. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, so this thing comes in this plastic thing. Let's remove this thing. Oh, okay, it's on. Wow, let me remove. Okay, so this thing is good actually, and the display is LCD panel, so do not expect an AMOLED in this price. And back, it is an aluminum back, which is kind of cool, but same thing is not cool, because this is an mixture of metal and plastic. Yeah, here you can see it is plastic, and here it is metal, here it is plastic. Okay, so top here there is an headphone jack and SIM tray. So let me start with this phone and we will be back. Okay, so this phone just got an update. Okay, wow, this thing is really good. I think so they will provide this updates lifelong. Just joking, for 1 to 2 years more. Let's see. And yes, this thing runs on FunTouch OS, which is an copy of iOS, really. And yes, meanwhile iOS 12.1 beta 1 is out, and for Rester developers, I have installed beta but I haven't reviewed it, sorry for that. Let me show you. Okay, so wait. Okay, so see, I'm running iOS 12.1 beta 1. Let me show you. Okay, here you can see iOS 12.1 beta 1. Okay, so let's complete our unboxing. Okay, so here you can see an pull tab. Let's pull this thing and let's see what's inside this thing. We will put some case, please. Okay, so okay, there is an case for this device, which is a low quality case, but it is good that they are providing this case. Okay, and here's normal quick start guide. Let's throw it aside at this. And this thing is an earphone which is in very weird shape. Okay, so here's an adapter which does not support fast charging. We don't expect this in this type of price segment device. Which yes, this device comes at 12,599, which is actually more than the price of. You can find better device than this one in this range, so I wouldn't recommend this thing buying in 2018. Okay, so let's apply the case. Actually, the case fits very snug, yeah. And here's an 13 megapixel camera, which is very good actually. And it is updating. Let's wait while it is updating. Man, this thing takes a lot of time. Okay, so it have been around half an hour and this device has still not installed this update. So bad, this thing is so bad. Okay, so at the final thing, do not buy this phone at this price point. Yeah, if Vivo will actually, okay, so this is speeding up. So okay, so if Vivo will actually lower this device cost, then this is an worth it device. But till now this isn't an device which I will recommend you guys for buying. Okay, so this is on while I was shooting the video. Okay, so okay, so yes, there's a lot of bloatware. They install Flipkart, UC News, UC Browser, Amazon, and a lot of things. WhatsApp, Facebook, everything pre-installed. Why would you install a Facebook app? We can install it from the Play Store and see that lag. Really, I can see that lag. I don't know you can see on camera or not. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel for latest tech info and please click that bell icon. Till then, peace out.